Let's see this particular example, that is corner block. First of all, I am going to create this particular cross section right here. So we can create using line, put the ortho on in this direction 80, then in the Z direction 35, and then in this direction 80 minus 25, it is 55. Now along Z direction 65 minus 35, that is 30, and again in this direction 25, and then you can close it. So like this I have drawn. Join this. Okay, now do the extrusion. How much must be the extrusion height? 70. Now I have to create a slice here. Actually, we can create this by slice, and you can see that the slice is of 35. See, because this is your 70, out of 70 is 35 is gone, so obviously this must be at this 35. So what I can do is create a line here, a line of 35. Okay, now go to slice command. Slice. Okay, this is the object to slice. Enter. Now go to 3 point, or yes, go to 3 point. So for that 3 point, actually we should create 3 lines right here. In this direction 35, and also in this direction 35. So total 3 points are created now. Here line is there, but here no line is there. So create a line of 35. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now go to slice. SLICE, slice. Select object to slice. Enter. Now go to 3 point. Okay, this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. Keep both sides. Now you can see that this is also getting sliced. Go to shaded with edges. You can see that this part is also getting sliced, but I don't want to slice that. I only want to slice this part. So do one thing. See, this is getting selected. So as of now, first we have one option called separate. Go to separate, select this one. Now see, they are separated. Yes, now see, they are separated. Just you have to select that. Now you can do union. Go to union, select this and this one and this. Enter. See, this is union. And again select this particular object and delete it. So that is removed. And the line which I made, that can be deleted. That line was the reference actually. You can delete that, or we can delete like this as well. So that corner is made. It's as simple as that. Okay. Now, can you see this? We have to create a cross section here. So do one thing. Go to 2D wireframe. Go to 2D wireframe and create a line in this direction 38. Okay. And put the ortho of, select this and this, like that. Okay. Now press pull it. How much? 20. Yes. Now we can do union. Actually, that is already union. That has already been union. Why is it so? Because I used press pull. So that's the advantage of press pull. Press pull actually directly join, है ना? Press pull, see, directly joined this particular solid with that. So that's what I wanted. Go to southeast isometric. So this is done. We have another way to do this. Okay, we have another way to do this. Let me create here. See, go to line command. Go to line command. Okay. Now in this direction, how much? It is 80. So go to 80. Then the height is 65. 65. And in this direction, how much? 25 plus 20, 45. Okay. Now downward direction. Towards the downward direction, see, total is 65. Out of 65, 35 is gone. Then 30. And in this direction, so 80 minus, or we can do one thing, we can track it like this, because F, object snap tracking, is on. So it is done and dusted. So make sure you keep this as southeast isometric. Okay. Now go to press pull. It will not happen. You have to join this. So join this, enter. Now go to press pull. So how much must be the extrusion height? 70. Okay, like this. Now go to 2D wireframe. So go to slice, select object to slice, 3D solid. Obviously I want to do the 3D solid slice. Enter. Now go to view. Go to view, select this point. Actually that is not the perfect. First create a line here. Okay, create a line here. Okay, total is 70. Out of 70, if 35 is gone, so 35 will remain. So 35. Okay, now go to slice. This is the object to be sliced. Enter. Now go to view and select this end point of this line. Keep both side. Now you can see this is how created. But again, these two objects must be separated. So we have an option here called separate, or you can access this from here as well. It might be somewhere here. See, this is slice. It must be somewhere here. Yeah, see here, it is separate. Okay, so in the solid ribbon you can access that command from here as well, or we can access from here as well, home and separate. So select this solid object. Which solid object? This one or this one? This one. Select it. they are separated. Now come out of the solid edit. See, they are not yet separated actually. One second. Go to separate, select this. Actually, what problem is happening? See, they must be separated, but they are not getting separated. So we can do one thing. See, no, not to worry. We can directly delete this part. Actually, we can directly delete this part because they are not getting separated. Why they are not getting separated? Because they are joined from somewhere. See, actually, which objects you can separate using this separate command? You can see separates a 3D solid object with several non-continuous volume. Actually, if you do undo, see, if you do undo, they are continuous actually. They don't have any break between them. That's why they are not getting separated. So that's the problem which is happening there. Okay, so for that, what we can do? See, so before slice actually, we can do one thing. Uh, let's do undo again. Yes, so this is done. Actually, in the previous part, I created only up to this part. So go to press pull, select this and remove some -20. Okay, see, -20 has been removed and delete this particular polyline. Now come to southeast isometric. Okay, come to southeast isometric again. Come to southeast isometric and come to southeast isometric and go to slice, select this object, enter, go to view and the line endpoint must be somewhere here. Yes, that line which I created, select that line, keep both side. See, because I disturbed the view, that's why it is happening like this. Because view means it totally depends how it is done. So let us do one thing, do undo again. So go to southeast isometric. Okay, delete this line, create that line again. Okay, create that line again. Go to line of 35 length. How much? 35 length. Yes, and go to slice, SLICE, slice. Select object to slice, enter, go to view and select this, keep both side. Now it is perfect because you just change your view, that will happen. Okay, now you can see that you can delete this particular line right here. Okay, that line which I created for taking the section. Now you can see that this solid, this two solid, they are not connected, they are not joined, they are not connected actually. But if I select this, that will also get selected. If I select this, if I select this small sliced object, then this will also get selected. So what we can do, go to separate object, go to separate object, select this. Now you will see that, now come escape. Now you can see that they will get separated because they were not connected to each other, they were not joined to each other. Okay, now you can do union, go to union, select this and this, enter, and we can delete this extra part. Okay, so I have done slice using view. I hope this is very much clear. Now you can easily create this particular section. Let us create that. This is 35. Now put the ortho of. Okay, now join them, or we can use press pull. And how much? 20. So this is done. I hope this is clear.